Hi again. Today I will analyze the chart of Ethereum and I will tell you where I think Ethereum is going in the next few months. First, let's us go back in time and see what happened before. We will see this move upward. It was in 2017 and a retracement and then another move. So if we expect this to happen again, we will measure first the first move, and we will see after retracement to the level of 88, it went to the extension of around 3. So if this happened again to the same extent, of course it doesn't have to do that again, but if, just a big if, we will expect Ethereum to go to the same level, maybe like 3. And of course, as I said, this is just an assumption. And so we may get a price of 15,000, maybe something between these areas. So this is the target, in my opinion, which is around 14K and 17K. And actually, if we looked on logarithmic chart, so we converted the chart to logarithmic because sometimes it's way better to see it this way regarding crypto. And we will just draw a simple trend line on the connecting the tops and also connecting the bottoms. Of course, this is not a confirmed bottom because if we draw it like this, it still may go, maybe touch this resistance and then go downwards. So everything can happen. Put that in your mind. But in my opinion, and from my experience, when you get like one touch, two touches, three touches from the same resistance, and it's very clean, sometimes it's a trap, or often it's a trap, because we already had the move or the reaction from this resistance. So I think this one will go and break it. Of course, the other scenario, as I said, will be the break to the downside, maybe like go back to 750 and maybe just go and collapse to around like 200. And I think, in my opinion, if it went back to 200, you have to be very cautious buying it again, because I won't buy it again at these levels unless I see something here or some setup here. So let's go back to the bullish scenario. As I said, I think we will break this, and as you can see, normally we get this tops around the end of the year, or the beginning of the year. So here it was like December and January. Here it was like November. So if we expect that we will reach this in November, you will see that actually November line is touching the upper limit of the channel at the same exact point that we said we are expecting, which is 14K, 17K. So this is the area where you put your profit, take profit orders. In my opinion, don't be greedy. Don't wait for it to go like 20K. It's psychological level. May not reach it. As you can see here, it happened before. Of course, some people will put the have put the take profit before at 5K because it's a psychological level, and price didn't actually reach it. It reached like 4,900 and then it reversed. So remember that when you put your take profit, try to put it underneath a psychological level because it may not reach this psychological level. So in this case, don't put it at 20K. Don't be greedy because it may not reach this area. And of course, in my opinion, I will not even put it at 15K. Maybe like 14K is a very good area. 14K and 500 maybe, and I will be happy to get to exit at these levels. So this is my analysis for Ethereum. Follow for more.